Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, That Girl Kai. So today I will be doing a DIY hair mask that I think a lot of you probably already heard about, the Aztec secret clay and the apple cider vinegar mask. I've done it on my face before and I love the results, and now I'm doing it now. So of course I start off with 4 sections. And then on freshly washed hair, what I did was just add water, because with this you do not want to put it on dry hair. And then I just started at my ends and I worked my way up to my scalp while applying this product. Now, some of the benefits for this product is clarifying and cleansing your hair, getting that buildup out of there, as well as having that shine and bounce, and it helps detangle as well. It's like a natural detangler. So I'm gonna do this to all 4 sections. Usually I'm gonna braid it up once I put all that product up, and then I'm just gonna do section by section. Okay guys, so I am going to let this sit for another like 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it out, and then we're gonna see how my hair looks, feels, all that good stuff. All right, so let's get started. So after washing it out, this is how my hair looks before shampooing and then conditioning it again, just to add more of that conditioner to it. And I actually love the results. It had my hair shiny and it definitely detangles. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.